The winner of Grand Miss Karbi Anglong 2021 is Brithney Engti katharpi! Congratulations, Brithney Engti katharpi!
Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel Anonti Vlogs. So guys, kardom hasame kardom Pini vlogs ke lalo nanglitum phan ada taralang solong kache Ronghangpi memorial main pen Miss Karbi Anglong Lapen Mr. and Mrs. Karbi Anglong lasela so chipati long kelang donji pula si Pini vlogs pun ke lalo nanglitum phan la solong si dun pola pen dak snap kelang mun pula sinonda kai gari chong hong horong nang long sedo waktu si duni puyo ku jupo dun moy lagi heavy vlogs dan lagi thong lo di bang thong non dak pendam populo dak gari chong hong holam bang en thang re vima ti to se duni pu asela le Donmarli Pini vlogs bang ke asinon tum dak pendam populo la sinang lan bomo Donmarli karo we same Pini vlogs bang ke lalo se kado same chuni rilo asinon ite tum vlogs to pang chengna dak pen am thu pol pen dai khadak pale thona den te nang lan bomo yo Donmarli non se ki thik lok la cheng chelang bon jo decoration light hala no si logai lok lok la yo la hello bon ho here flex banner ke Mr. and Miss ta ya selfie point no der hoi lang bon no hong dat matik lo ton mali tu
a beautiful sunflower for a beautiful you. Myself, Hunmily Timungpi. I'm 13 years of age and I'm studying in 8th standard from Little Flower School. And I'm
Lipialamne chingkhonsenam jutang hello khera je lame hello kheche the Lapen Pini ladak kadu awe phangstame longchor alangkar kangsam da pason ningak longpen kardom sipilo kardom are songsar timung dileke dena rongpen sikebang nilinon ke dobom lage dipu mati pung rong sopi diliarta inkoi raisi nilinon kachali bom dipu government college along PDC 5th semester andeng education of subject humpon pen nili kaike teklem ninghang asai laga prang silo kachali adun thu nili lamet lamchong kapachan ade lunjir
hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank the organizer team of Kache Ronghangpi Memorial Talent House Societies for giving me this platform. And also, I would like to thank all the people present here for making this moment beautiful. Myself, Mrs. Ronghangpi, and my husband's name is Mr. Rahan Teron. I'm from the
Number 13 for your selection to the next sequence of Miss Karbi Anglong 2021. Congratulations, can we have a big hand for all the participants who got
Lapen di hang sai lagi kilu lapen di kam lapen di kai long me kaciman kantu lagi indus desen modular PC ni ciman kantu lapen di kijuksi kaninje kantu lagi munit di bori lo putih kion ia som thang nak tahu Lasi bori lagi hati ni lagi ton bori kong lo kardom woman or man. Nah, nanti kan pulote, perkelong kumalo kelang shot na ke, pinso tuma, mati arlo so tuma. So
Can we have a big hand for both them?
Money, money, money problem. Everyone is facing money problem. Oh brother, what is that? Have you ever faced the money problem? Different money world. Every
Is there Arjulong? So my question to you is, what do you want to contribute to the society if you win this title tonight? Do you want me to repeat the question?
No, thank you, Miss. I would like to answer now. Okay. If I win the title tonight, then I would like to contribute the new generation and thought about.
How are you doing tonight? So I'm going to ask you a diplomatic question. Who do you think is more important to the world, man or woman? And tell me why, please.
Well, I think that men and women are both important.
Miss Karbi Anglong 2021. Can we have a big hand for Hunmily Timungpi? Congratulations. He is securing Best Rock Award. And to do this honor, I would like to request Timungpi. All the kids present here. Reach out and hand on to aphan. Congratulations, Sumita Terangpi! You are the winner of Miss Karbi Anglong 2021, ladies and gentlemen. History has been created and she will be called as Miss Karbi Anglong 2021 for a long time, ladies and gentlemen. Well, congratulations! Can we have a big hand for Sumita Terangpi? Best Rock Award already. And now it's time to announce the winner of Miss Karbi Anglong 2021. Now, the winner of Miss Karbi Anglong 2021 is contestant number 8! Congratulations to all the winners of Miss Karbi Anglong 2021. So can we have a big hand for Miss Karbi Anglong? I'm thinking to give this award to second runners-up, Hunmily. Many congratulations. Congratulations to her family, to her friends, to her siblings. And of course, this is a proud moment for her that she is receiving this award as the second runners-up of Miss Karbi Anglong 2021 here at St. James Stage, ladies and gentlemen. The gratitude must be extended to her for her participation in securing this award. Congratulations to Hunmily. So can we have a big hand for Hunmily? As you can see, through this honor, I would like to invite Rahan Teron and Long Room to give this award to Sumita Terangpi. Congratulations, Sumita Terangpi, you secure the first runners-up of Miss Karbi Anglong 2021 here at St. James Stage. And this will be remembered for a long time here in Karbi Anglong and the history of Karbi Anglong, that Sumita Terangpi is the first runners-up of Miss Karbi Anglong 2021. You can see Mr. Modern Teron in Longsar Bombrung is giving this award to Cecilia as the first runners-up of Miss Karbi Anglong 2028. Brithney Engti katharpi! Congratulations, Brithney Engti katharpi! You are the winner of Miss Karbi Anglong 2021. And to do this honor, Donmarli Timungpi will give this award. Congratulations, Brithney Engti katharpi! You are the winner of Miss Karbi Anglong 2021. And it will be remembered for a long time in the history of Miss Karbi Anglong that Brithney Engti katharpi is the winner of Miss Karbi Anglong 2021, ladies and gentlemen. So can we have a big hand once again for Brithney Engti katharpi? Congratulations, great job everyone. Thank you very much. All the guests, including the president, most of our guests. They've joined us here at the end of this event. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Karbi Anglong 2021 and Brithney Engti katharpi is the winner.
Yo Donmarli Pini 2021 Miss Karbi Anglong at Kehai pon atum lo. Yo Donmarli lahan chini lo tuma tihan kote lo Rahan Teron alangli Pini 2021 dak cipate lo alangli photo unique pen alangli cipalong dun lo. Yo Pini alangli first time lo cipate dun lalo to niye ne ko kide niye.
Chorolo dak nanglitum nangilang sumana aphan neli Kehai dun lo bugali kita non si Pini first time na si mo non kelang ji next
Morning
aprang si nong ekimanji pasti body one po nanglitum nang support mo ko sinili sene bilo
lalu alamang Pini selang first time yang sepadu same cipati dun sing me same lang photo unique pen same cipalong dun lo isi certificate lo penalang ni phanjo isi nong mesen lo son nong phan thegong lo se anso se alang likai ke bakrang poni phan alang phan same condition son lo penang se anam akhir jine te me ang pidun lo akan muni same anso se cipati dun sene
chorolo nang mo na support mo ko si Lapen lo bang so chine lo surprise tha
ala lo anan tiblos ang se nang tindan na support dun mo Donmarli tu ala halo de Donmarli tumte Donmarli Pini vlogs bang kelalo na tum theglang lo cheng men kijut Pini vlogs bang kelalo tum kado same theglang lo komasi no ekilong pon mal Lapen komasi kecepati long Kehai dun mal tum theglang lo lasila lo Donmarli lasi Pini nga season bang dame lo morning cholo lasi kado we Kehai dun tum hanta me congratulations lo anso se aprang ponji phan la lo asna tum theglang lo enjoy pegang lo Donmarli asna tum tame anso se morning ke nangalang don RD chipi dun on sirap dun on kelang dun pen same note personal ini ticket phokep en lo te la lo langolong po Pini bang dak taralang solong se bilo Lapen morning e kona poni chin de lo se morning tame chitong thunang Donmarli tum la lo ase kado we same none judalo posi chi dam rin ti lo yo asenon bang ni tum tame chi dam lo Donmarli lasi nal tum hanta me chorolo mane nang kelang dun hu post tame asela lo Pini vlogs bang lan hello Donmarli se kado we tame good night lo sinon ni tum hem chi dam lo asela lo ni channel se kimlang te subscribe non penang se share pen la lo Donmarli se kado we tame do mi thame good night bye bye